The Pinoy Boomer!
My goodness, I shudder at the thought that the former President Duterte has given away our sovereign rights to China through this so called gentleman's agreement. I am recording this video right now without any scripts. I'm just going to do it free flowing with my raw reaction after watching this news article, or rather, this news video from UNTV News in YouTube. And for those who don't understand Filipino language, basically the title is talking about China's claim or insinuation that they have an agreement during the Duterte administration with regards to our rights on Ayungin Shoal. Oh my goodness. My goodness. I hope our fellow Filipinos would wake up and remove their rose colored glasses when it comes to Rodrigo Duterte. As we are now seeing that his administration has done many shady things against the Filipino nation and the Philippines in favor of China's well being or China's benefit. I, for one, if the Senate or Congress will do a hearing, I am down with this one because, as we have seen in the previous days, Roque in all of the TV interviews, he's keep on claiming that there was a gentleman's agreement between China and Duterte. But now he's trying to use his lawyer magic to rephrase everything. And that's why, as a side note, I don't want my kids to take up law because, in my opinion, once you become a lawyer, either you become a poor lawyer due to being a moral person, or you become a rich lawyer because you have already sold your soul to the devil. Okay, going back to this raw reaction, as I've said, I am game with the Senate or Congress or both of them investigating, calling Duterte, Roque, and Panelo in let in making them tell us what did they talk about in those closed door meeting sessions with China back then, and especially what were the agreements that we entered with China verbally. I'm not a lawyer, but I know that anything that's verbal, it's not binding. Please correct me for those viewers who are practicing law. Let me know if that's wrong of me to think of so that I'll learn more about law. Goodness. This it for now with my reaction video on the news. I hope you guys watch the other videos found in my channel. And I hope that I can talk to you guys again next time. This is the Pinoy Boomer signing off for now. Bye bye!